Hello everyone, this is Uncle Frank again, and today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Cuphead. First, we're gonna draw a big circle on top of the page, really big. And then we're gonna cut it above the middle, like this. It's a curved line. Remember, it's got to be curved. Then I'm gonna define the center. And this is the direction Cuphead is gonna be facing. Okay, now I measure the size of the lower part of the circle, and I define this as the end of the shorts, the end of Cuphead shorts. Since I have defined the size of his body, now I'm gonna draw a line to define his pose. Like this, it's gonna be arced forward. So I imagine these might be his legs, like this. Okay, not very long. So respecting the size of his body that I had defined before, I'm going to draw a circle here for the upper torso and another one here in the lower part. And then I'm going to find the legs of his shorts, like this. So a few lines. It would be like half of a rectangle. And if you're new here and you're not subscribed to the channel yet, don't forget to do it now. It's free and it only takes 1 second. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, activate the bell so you can have notifications whenever I post a new video, which is almost every day. Now to get on with the work, I'm going to erase the top of the circle I had drawn for the head, like this. And then I'm going to sketch his legs, which are going to be just 2 parallel lines each, like this. If you take a look, they are going a bit to the back. That's because his belly is gonna be leaning forward. And now I make 2 letters C around the end of his legs, like this, and I do the same to the other foot. Then I'm gonna draw a half circle for the rest of his shoe. So this is gonna be the ground line, just to know that I'm doing it the same way on the other side. And now this is gonna be the back of his foot. To make them kind of symmetrical, I think it's a good idea to measure the size of one of the feet and try to match the other. Okay, it looks pretty good to me. Now I'll make an extension just to show his foot soles. Okay, now his hands are gonna be on the waist, and that's what I like to do. I like to place the hands first, know where they're gonna be, and then I'm gonna connect the arms like this. So the arm is gonna come from the shoulder in the curved line. Okay, it's just like the cup handle. And the other side is gonna be the same. So this is gonna connect the hands to the arms. And now for this hand, I'm gonna start drawing the inside of his palm. And one finger is gonna come from here and just complete the circle to the other side of the hand, like this. Now all I have to do is draw 2 more fingers from here, and that's gonna be good. And the traditional lines on his gloves. Right. For the other hand, it's even simpler. I just continue the curved line and I draw the finger under it, and that's it. That's all there is to this hand. Now for his shorts, I'm just going to follow the circle, and now the line is going to be curved upwards like this. So remember the position his body is going to. Now I'm gonna mark a line just to find the place for his nose, and that's gonna be over here. It's just gonna be an oval. Here, a small one. And now from the center, I'm just gonna draw a big letter U. That's gonna be the eye. And a smaller letter U on the other side. Like this. Now you have the eyes. His mouth is gonna look like a bean. And his tongue is just gonna be two lines like any traditional cartoon. Now for the mug handle, a letter C with another letter C inside. Now I think I can sketch the straw. It's two parallel lines here. It's gonna be part of a cylinder, and then I'm gonna make another cylinder here, connecting with a 90-degree angle. Okay, there's gonna be this line in the middle, and then the other curved lines just to indicate the pattern on the straw. Okay. So now the final element is the eyes, and they're gonna be just ovals, and they're gonna have a little mouth, and so they're gonna look like deformed Pac-Man. Now let me just check if I'm satisfied with the result. I'm gonna erase a few lines and revise what I have done. Okay, now that I'm fine with it, I'm going to get the marker and do the line work. Very well then, so now let's take care of the black areas. Now for this drawing I decided to use some colored pencils, but use whatever you can. So the purpose is to have fun and try to do it yourself and experiment with different materials. And colored pencils, they take an awful long time, so let's fast forward a little. Alright, our Cuphead is ready, so I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for being with me up to here, up to this point. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to do so. Leave us a comment, a suggestion on what you want to learn next. So thank you very much again. I hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.